Hey guys, what's going on? Frank Rich here from Rebuilt Recovery. And in today's video, I want to pose the question to you. Is porn making you lazy? And why is that happening? And what can you do to break out of the slump and rut that you're in right now? But before we jump into today's video, guys, if you're new to the channel, my name is Frank Rich, CEO and founder of Rebuilt Recovery. And it is our mission to help men break free from the shackles of porn addiction through the power of faith and fitness. And we do that in a handful of different ways. First and foremost, right here on YouTube, we are dropping videos every single day, Monday through Friday at this point. So if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn those post notifications on so you are notified every time a new video is released. And if you're interested in pursuing what life can look like for you after porn addiction, we've written a free book and guide for you. So hit the link down there in the first comment. It's our free ebook, 7 Steps to Living Life Without Porn, where we walk you through strategies, practices, implementation of how to design a life where porn no longer enters the equation. So make sure to pick that book up, guys, down there below in the first comment. Back to today's video, guys. Is porn making you lazy? Is it holding you back from achieving success in your life? You know, I'm having conversations every single week now, it feels like, multiple times a day with guys, and they're reaching out and they're like, Frank, porn has ruined my life. It's impacted me to the point where I just can't get anything done. And I can remember back a few years ago, you know, if you guys aren't familiar with my story, I came up in the bodybuilding space. I was a competitive bodybuilder, launched our online fitness business back in 2017 after having a little bit of success in another online venture. But when we were trying to build Frank Rich Fitness, it just seemed like we weren't making any progress. I felt like I was doing work, but it just never really seemed to get off the ground. And when I look back now, I really realized that it was my addiction to porn, my frequent and everyday use of porn and masturbation that was really preventing me from achieving the success that I knew was meant to come my way. So I'm gonna ask you the question, like, are you lazy? Is porn impacting you to the point where you just can't get anything done? Here's why I think this is such a major problem in today's world. Guys, we were designed for achievement. We were designed for creation. I mean, look at the world around us. Everything that you see that's been built here has been done by other men. Guys, we have all those same powers and abilities living inside of us. But the problem is with porn is the ultimate weapon of instant gratification. Repeat that again. Porn is the ultimate weapon of instant gratification. Think about it. If you're having a difficult time with your spouse or your significant other, maybe a girl rejected you and you're just feeling insuperior, you're feeling less than the man that you know you are. Maybe you're dealing with a conflict at work. Maybe you're just unhappy in life. So you seek out this pleasure, this instant gratification, where you can just pull up a website and without even having to do anything, you're gonna get everything that you want sexually from that. You're gonna get the release, you're gonna feel the experience of ejaculation, the dopamine hit. Guys, we did an entire video talking about how porn is rewiring our reward system. But like I said, guys, porn is the weapon of instant gratification. So if every day you're seeking out this pleasure and instant gratification without having to put anything up for it, without having to do any work, how do you think that's gonna impact and carry over in every other part of your life? When you're trying to launch that side hustle, you're trying to start that new business, or you're trying to get that promotion at work, you're trying to get to the gym to build your body. You're wired, you've been reprogrammed to feel the need that you need it right now because that's how you've conditioned yourself with pornography. Well, guys, that's not life. That's not success. Success is built over time, persistence, discipline, daily execution of the task and practices and habits that need to achieve the ultimate accomplishment. So guys, porn is a weapon of instant gratification. And the more that you divulge and spend your time living in that fantasy world, the harder it's gonna be for you to achieve success in the real world. So what do you do? What do you have to do? Well, first and foremost, guys, is you have to make the decision that porn no longer serves a place in your life and in your world. I can't give that to you. That's a decision you have to make yourself. But if anything that I said in this video registered and clicked with you, then I think it's now time to ask you the question, are you ready to remove pornography from your life for good? Once you've done that, you can then start to build some habits and practices in place that are gonna help you build the work ethic needed to achieve success in your life. Because guys, more than anything that I want for you is I want you to be able to break out of the shackles of the addiction that pornography has holding you captive right now. But more than anything, guys, I want that for you, but I also want you to achieve success in your life. I want you to fulfill the dreams that were placed in your heart. I want you to become the man that you were created to be. And that will not happen. It will not happen until you decide that porn is ready to be eliminated. And then you can start to put some daily habits, practices, and rituals in place that'll sharpen and strengthen your discipline. That'll sharpen and strengthen your work ethic. But if you said yes to the question, is porn holding you back and is it making you lazy? If you said yes to that question, my next challenge to you is, what are you going to do about it? What are you going to do to remove porn from your life, step into the man that you were created to be, and ultimately create the life that you've always dreamed of having? Because it is truly possible. So guys, if that resonated with you, if that spoke to you, I'm going to ask two things. Drop a comment down there in the comment section below and say, I'm in. I'm ready to remove porn and become the man that I know I was created to be. So leave that for me down there in the comments. And secondly, guys, pick up the ebook. And once you've downloaded that ebook, you're going to have an opportunity to book a call with myself. We're offering free consultation calls right now where you and I will jump on a call and map out a plan for you and discuss what a strategy would look like, you know, and whether that's working with me or just going about it on your own. I want to give you guys some tools, tactics, and strategies to help you get out of the depths of your addiction right now. So I hope this video was valuable to you. I hope maybe it brought a sense of clarity about why you're struggling, about why and how porn is holding you back from ultimately achieving the life that you know you were created to live. So if it did that, guys, like I said, like this video, subscribe to the channel so we are releasing new videos every single day. But Frank Rich, helping you break out of the shackles of porn addiction and ultimately become the man you were created to be. I'll see you guys on the other side.